Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hello there, my beautiful friends of SpanishPod101.com. As you might know, my name is Diego.
And I'm Efrain.
And in today's video, we're not going to start it with a skit because we have rather several skits during the whole video.
Yeah.
So guys, today's topic is quite interesting because today we're going to check Mexican expressions for reactions. Very common reactions. So guys, if you're interested, enjoy this video.
Woo!
Okay guys, so Mexican expressions are really a great way to communicate with other native speakers. And sometimes you may want to have a reaction to what someone said, and the best way to do it is with some expressions that we're going to teach you today.
Yes.
So we have several categories, and mind you, sometimes the words that we're about to tell you have different meanings, and we can do actually whole videos explaining each one of them.
Yeah.
However, we're going to tell you the most common use.
Or at least the meanings for this video.
Yeah, the meanings for this video.
For reactions.
Which also happen to be the most common ones. So let's start with the first classification, and this is when you want to reaffirm what the other person said. You want the other person to say again or to reaffirm what he just said. Normally you use it like in a rhetorical sense.
See?
You don't care whether the answer is true or not. But also you can do it as a sign of disbelief.
Yeah.
For example,
neta. Neta. We also have a poco. A poco.
That's correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, we even have some expressions that are only for disbelief.
Okay.
And mind you, you can use the previous ones, a poco, and also neta,
Okay.
with one of these expressions. So you can join together two expressions. So the expressions for disbelief are the following.
No inventes. No inventes. You can also say no manches. No manches. Just mind that you can just use this one with friends and with people that you trust. Okay? Because sometimes it is kind of respectful to say this one. No manches. But also we have a caray or just caray. A caray. And we have another one. Ándale.
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 Yeah. And even we have one that is not 100% family friendly, so just use it with your close friends.
Okay.
And that's no mames.
Okay.
No mames.
Yeah.
So let's watch a skit with these expressions in action.
Se murió Pablo.
No manches, ¿neta?
Sí.
Oye, pero ¿quién es Pablo?
Ah, ¿a poco no sabes quién es Pablo? Es el cantante de la banda Tracayosa, la mejor agrupación de banda de todo el mundo.
Ah, no inventes, claro que lo conozco. ¿Neta se murió?
Sí, lo vi al menos en su cuenta de Instagram. Estoy muerto.
Okay guys, so the next category is when you have a surprise, whether it is good or bad. Okay. However, bear in mind that this is a surprise, something unexpected. And for this we have two very common expressions.
Okay. And I was waiting you for say.
No, that's your turn.
Yeah, no. And the first one is a la madre. A la madre. But we also have ¿qué pedo? ¿Qué pedo? Well, it is funny for me to say it in that way, like teaching this.
Like teaching
¿Qué
this.
pedo?
¿Qué pedo? Like two words.
Yeah, because
¿Qué
it is
pedo?
very natural. Yeah.
Now, Other set of expressions are when you know, and it's not a surprise, but you know that something bad, this is not for good, but something bad happened. And for this we have several words.
Okay, and the first one is chale. 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 Okay, and the other one, when you are having a really bad time. Ya nos cayó el chahuiztle. Or ya me cayó el chahuiztle. Ya le cayó el chahuiztle. Ya les cayó el chahuiztle.
Ya te cayó el chahuiztle.
Ya te cayó el chahuiztle.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
And this is actually, we created a video before explaining ya nos cayó el chahuizle.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We explain it better in another one. Okay, we also have en la torre. En la torre. En la torre. And then when you're in shock, okay, you can say madres. Madres. When something really bad happens. Okay, let's start with bad words, maybe.
Well, kind of.
Okay, they are not that strong, but still. Okay, for example, carajo. Carajo. You can use this one when you're angry.
Carajo. Carajo.
Okay, and then we have mierda. Mierda. That's
Mierda. Two syllables.
That's a bad word.
So let's see a skit using these expressions.
¡A la madre! ¿Viste eso?
Sí, claro.
Grábalo, grábalo.
¿Qué pedo? No funciona mi cámara.
Oh, no. No. Madres. Eso le va a salir muy caro.
Chale, y además es el carro del año. La reparación va a salir muy cara.
Okay, guys, so the previous ones were when something bad happened.
Yeah.
And what happens when something good happens instead? Well, for this we have three very common expressions.
Yep, 3. Well, this one is qué chido. Qué chido. Qué chido. And then we have qué fregón. Qué fregón. Qué fregón. I like that one. And we also have another which is very informal, and it is qué chingón.
Super Mexican.
Qué chingón.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's correct. Good.
So qué chingón.
Now, we also have one very common expression, and that's when you don't know what to do and you are kind of desperate, okay? And this word is
Híjole. Híjole.
Híjole. Híjole.
Ay, no.
¿Qué hago?
Híjole.
Híjole. That's correct. So, now let's see this in a skit.
Mire, Fra, este collar me lo regalaron hace poco.
¡Qué fregón! ¡Qué chido!
¿Y ahora qué
híjole, híjole, es que necesito ir al baño. ¿Sabes si hay algún baño aquí cerca?
No creo, estamos en medio del parque, pero hay muchos árboles, puedes aprovechar.
Pues no hay mucha gente.
Okay, guys, so now let's continue with the invitations. When someone invites you, it doesn't matter what kind of invitation, and you want to agree with it, then we can say one of these two options.
Okay, we can say super sí. Super sí. And we can say this one, jalo. Jalo.
Yeah, nowadays it is really frequent to hear jalo.
Jalo.
Yeah, and even you can combine them. Super sí, jalo.
Super sí, jalo. The perfect combination.
The perfect combination. Okay, and now finally, let's see what happens when two people agree on something.
Okay.
What do we have for that?
For that we have va. Va. Va que va. Va que va. Sale y vale. Sale y vale.
Mm.
Vientos. Vientos. Wine, the plural form of wine. Viento. Vientos.
Winds.
Vientos.
But
Because
it's wind, right?
yeah,
It's
Winds.
wind.
winds. Ah, sí.
The winds.
Winds. Sorry, okay? Okay, vientos. And it's because vientos sounds like bien. Viento.
Yes,
Vientos.
Wordplay.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, so let's see an skit.
Yeah,
A
let's go.
skit.
Let's go and watch a skit.
Yeah.
Bueno,
¿Qué onda, Efra? ¿Cómo andas?
todo bien.
Oye, hay una fiesta con Enrique hoy a las 10. ¿Quieres ir?
Super sí, jalo.
Pero mira, hacen falta botanas. ¿Cómo ves? ¿Las llevas tú?
Va que va. Lo hago.
Vale, entonces paso por ti a las 9:30 a tu casa.
Vientos, ahí nos vemos.
Eso es todo por hoy. Muchas gracias, mi familia de SpanishPod101.com. Thank you for watching us. Please don't forget to give us your thumbs up, to share this video with other learners, write your comments down there, subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications, and don't forget to get free PDF cheat sheets in the description of this video.
That's correct.
Well, get now your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com, and there you will find these free PDF cheat sheets. So, see you in the next video. Video. Ok, sí. Nos
Hasta luego.
vemos. Adiós.